Cam, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a magic trick you can do anywhere. It's probably one of the easiest magic tricks you can do because you only need a deck of cards and it's like a couple moves and that's it. So I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. Let's get straight into this magic trick. See you at the end of the video. Peace. Yo, what's up? It's your boy, and I am back. So in today's video, if you've seen by the intro, well, obviously you would have to watch the video and see the intro, but you've seen by the title too. In today's video, we are going to be doing a magic trick. All you really need is one simple thing: a deck of cards. It could be any deck of cards, doesn't really matter, and you do this on friends, family, basically anyone. And it's definitely an easy magic trick for beginners because it only takes like 2 or 3 moves, if I'm not wrong. I could be wrong, I just have to remember how to do it. So, and if you guys do watch by the end of this video, I want to say thank you, and let's get straight into this. So, the only thing you need, like I said, is a deck of cards. The deck of cards that I'm using is Black Lions Red Edition by David Blaine. He is a magician. I'm sure if you like magic, you know who he is. So take the cards out of the deck if they're not already out. And you would do this on Spectator, but no Spectator around, sadly, so I'm gonna have to do it how I usually do it. So you ask them, pick a card, any card. Say pick that card, and say if they are my friends, they'll show it to them. So you guys seen the card. Now I'm gonna turn around. I can't see the card, can't read the back of the card, none of that. So alright. Then you would ask again, you have the card memorized. They would say yes. Turn right back around. And you say, alright, it's your card. And you ask them, does this seem about middle to you? And they say no. Then you put up a little more middle. And then boom. You slide it in. You say, I'm going to find your card. Go behind your back and try to find your card. Found your card. Now, let's spread this out like this. Spread the card out like this. See if we see your card. Boom. This was your card. King of Diamonds. Now, let's see how the trick is done. Now that you have made it this far, you obviously want to know how the trick is done. So, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, when you go up to the person that you're spectating, there's no, you're not doing anything right now. You just ask them, pick a card, whatever card they want, doesn't matter. You're not forcing a card, no double lifting, nothing like that, no pinky, no pinky break, none of that. Then say they pick the ace of spades, and they start showing their friends, and you show them, I'm gonna go behind my back, I'm gonna turn around, that way I can't read your card or any of that. And when you go behind your back, so go behind the back, this is where the trick really starts. This is like one move that you have to do, basically. So I think I might have said 2 or 3 moves, so break that down like 1. Now when you have it like this, when you go behind your back, you take the bottom card, flip it over, and you flip the deck like this. And you say, are you done? And if they say yeah, you take the card, make sure they can't see the bottom, because then they would see the red. But if you want to make it more noticeable, it's by going up like this. I'm trying to figure out a way that you would do that. This. I don't know, it would be hard to do it. That's why I show it down like this. And then you put it about middle. They say yes. And then you show it like this to them. And then you push it back in. And then when you go behind your back again to find your card, all you're doing behind your back is flipping this card over. And then when you say, oh, I think I found your card. Basically, you hold the card out like this, and boom, the card will pop up. That's probably one of the easiest magic tricks that I have learned, because it only takes one move to do. You just have to flip a card over. Just the only thing that sucks is when you go to flip the bottom card over and then you show them middle. If you want to show them like this, you have to find a way where they don't see like the card. So if anything, you might have to I don't know how you would do it, like to show bottom like this and show middle, but that's why I show it like this and then like down. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you in the outro. Guys, if you made it this far, you guys have to drop a like. You guys are the truly best ever if you really made it this far into the video. And if so, I want to say thank you. Thank you for watching the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, or just want to see my videos in general, hit that subscribe button. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. And if you really want to be special, hit that notifications, hit that bell. That way, every time I go live, or like I go live on here, or I post a video, you get notified. You know what I mean? Like, it's that easy. Just you go down the row, you go like this, click that button, and boom, you're done. You don't have to worry about anything. And then every time the video comes out, you just watch it. And also, guys, if you want to follow my socials, I will put them down below, like in the description. I made a TikTok. If you want to guys go follow that. It's my first TikTok account. It's alright. I'm not good at it, but you know, I could possibly grow on there. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want more videos, hit that like button. Let's try to smash 10 likes on this video. That's all I'm asking for. And subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Just because I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my team. Fuck it, nigga, kill him. Fuck it, nigga, take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch. I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer. Walking my side, now he got the lumber. I said that Maybach where the J's at. Tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers.
Yeah, run up them numbers. Okay.